If you wish to keep your range, stove, or oven operating safely and efficiently, you'll need to make sure that they're kept clean. Both the control panel and cooktop can be easily cleaned with non-abrasive cleaners. Always apply the cleaner to the rag rather than directly on the surface you wish to clean. The burner drip bowls are usually not cleanable after they've been stained, so it's often a better idea to replace them altogether. If the oven is not a self-cleaning model, you can use oven cleaner to maintain the interior. If your oven is self-cleaning, simply follow the manufacturer's instruction for the self-clean setting. You may also have to replace your oven's light bulb if it burns out. Most ovens use a universal 40-watt appliance bulb. Simply unscrew the old bulb and install the new one. Follow these simple guidelines, and your appliance should be running great for years to come.